Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to add drop shadow on an image. So first we have an image here. You have to click it here and then go to the edit section. After that, scroll a little bit and you'll be able to see these effects. Then click to the shadows. Then there are a couple of options here. You have to select this drop. See, there is a drop shadow here. It's very simple. It works with elements and images. You can just select the edit and turn on the drop shadow from here. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel as we post a lot of informational videos quite frequently, almost every day and every week. Please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.